CS6365 is a 4-prong locking male plug assembly. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is kind of up here on this inner wall. It's rated for up to 50 amps at both 125 and 250 volts. It has a weather-tight seal and strain relief construction. And it's most often used with 6-4 cable. That's 6 gauge, 4 conductors. But it can also be used with 10-4 and 8-4. And the jackets that it can be used with are SJ, SO, and ST jacket types. CS6365 connects with CS6364. They connect like so, and then twist to lock it, and it doesn't come apart. Twist to unlock, comes apart. CS6365 is most often used with RVs, shore power, temporary emergency power, and industrial power.